In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a PowerPoint presentation and video simultaneously on Zoom. This handy guide will walk you through each step to ensure your presentation is seamless and polished, whether you're hosting a virtual meeting for work, school, or any other purpose. To start, you'll need to join or initiate a Zoom meeting on your PC. This is your first essential step. Once your meeting is underway or you've joined an existing session, you'll find all the features you need on Zoom's versatile interface. Next, take a look at the bottom of your Zoom screen. There, in the toolbar, you'll notice the Share Screen button. Give that a click. This button is your gateway to presenting your PowerPoint slides and incorporating any video you wish to share. Now, it's decision time. Zoom will prompt you to choose which screen or application you want to share. If you intend to just display your PowerPoint presentation, select the specific PowerPoint window. However, if you think you might need to switch between your slides and other applications, it might be best to share your entire desktop. This approach allows for more flexibility and a smoother experience for your audience. When you're ready to share a video as part of your presentation, there's an additional step to ensure your viewers get the full experience, complete with audio and optimized visuals. Before you click to share, look out for two critical options: share computer sound and optimize for video clip. Be sure to check these boxes. By doing so, you're making sure that your audience will hear your video's audio clearly and that the video playback is smooth and engaging. Now that you've selected your screen and adjusted the necessary settings, it's time to commence your presentation. Simply click the share button and you're live. Your audience will be able to see your presentation or video just as you intended. Remember that while sharing on Zoom, you still have access to the toolbar. This is incredibly useful as it allows you to pause your screen sharing if you need to take a break or address questions without displaying anything you don't want others to see. And once you're all done with your presentation, it's straightforward to wrap things up neatly by stopping the screen share. Just hit the Stop Share button in the Zoom toolbar to return to your regular meeting view. This quick guide is designed to help you deliver professional and effective presentations by leveraging the powerful screen sharing capabilities of Zoom. With these steps in your arsenal, you're ready to impress your colleagues, classmates, or friends with a flawless blend of PowerPoint slides and engaging video content. Happy presenting!